So this is the final product. I'm so excited to be holding this in my hand. So I'm Shaq.
I'm Paula.
And we can't wait to talk to you about Jen's lipstick metamorphosis. So tell me a little bit about how this got started.
So Jen had some really specific ideas about what she wanted to do. She loves our liquid lipsticks. That's number one. The formula is she's always using them in her videos.
Yeah.
And I mean, I love our formula. Just, that's the good thing. And she is always doing like a Frankenlip, which I actually had never heard of. I was like, Frankenstein. But she always is mixing just like we do. And she had all of these lipsticks that sometimes just weren't exactly the right shade or weren't what she thought they were going to be. She always was mixing her colors to make the perfect color. And so she created these 3 shades to brighten it up, to sort of mute it out, and to deepen it.
I did it backwards, but yeah, you got the idea.
Yeah.
I think it was a great idea. With all these subscription boxes nowadays, you get so many lip products. And sometimes you're like, what am I going to do with this? You know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Or like your aunt came and said, hey, sweetie, I know you're going to like this color. And you're like, oh, thanks, auntie.
Am I going to be that auntie?
Well, the point is, don't be that auntie.
Don't be that auntie.
But now you get to transform your lipsticks into more brighter, darker, or muted. It's up to you.
Yeah. I think people can try different things shopping online.
Yes, that's it.
You just get stuff that you're just not into, or it looks great in the tube, and then you're like, ooh, too light, too dark. Too this, too yellow, too red, too orange.
Right. So that's why these are perfect. It was a great idea.
It was such brilliant.
And now, stay tuned as Paula and I show you how we did our Frankenlips.
Ooh.
So we have all 3 colors and we're ready to do our mixes. I'm going to mix with Vermillion, which is one of my favorite colors actually. Because it doesn't necessarily need to be something that you don't like.
It's true.
I just want to add a little bit of pizzazz to Vermillion.
Yeah.
How about
my
you?
favorite colors. I'm going to use Utopia, which I actually never use because I'm not into pink and I do not like shimmer on my lips. So I'm definitely going for something that I don't.
I'm interested to see what that looks like.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get to it.
Not sure what I'm going to mix it with. So we'll see.
Also, you don't know which one you're using yet.
I don't know. I kind of tested it, but I don't know.
I'm gonna go with Reimagine.
Okay.
Cause I don't know. I just want to make it dark. I want to relive the 90s where we did dark lipstick, like dark liner with the red lipstick. That's where I'm going.
That's your look. I'm going for like I love crazy pink, like for my cheeks, but not on my lips. So I'm trying to like blend it together, but not exactly.
Right. Okay, I like that.
Because I used it today. All right, let's see.
All right. Let's start with Jen's color, Reimagine, and then I'm gonna add the other color on top. Paula's starting with the pink color first.
Oh yeah, that's not for me. Just no.
It's a personal thing. People might actually like that on you.
Yeah, for sure.
But you have your preference.
They're gonna like it on me?
Some people might.
I mean, maybe.
You never know.
Yeah, it's not like, okay. I think I'm gonna do Refine. Let's see how Refine goes. And then maybe I'll mix with the mixes.
Oh.
Just feeling.
Whole lot of mixes going on.
Yeah. I love mixing. I normally mix all of my colors. I don't usually wear them straight at all.
That is a fact.
That's a fact, yes. See, that made it like kind of mauve-y.
Let me see. Oh, okay, I like that.
But it toned down the shimmer quite a bit.
Which
I am into.
I like how this looks.
It's a great color.
I like it a little.
Yeah, I like it.
With the
very
green?
nice. Yeah. Ooh, green. That inner corner.
Ta-da! No. I'm gonna go in now with Vermillion, which is one of my faves, and just give it that pizzazz.
I really like this. Like the shimmer is kind of there, but like not.
Yeah, you
Which
didn't
is
think of the
nice.
blue. It's very pretty. It's not overwhelming.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
but I'm not gonna leave it right there. We're gonna go.
She
a little
is not
more.
done. So this is what it looks like mixed for me. I
Oh my
think,
god, I love that color.
right? I'm gonna fix the lines and add a little bit more of Reimagine. Because I want it dark.
Just mesmerized. This one I'm gonna dot, but I might have to like dot a little more. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna dot it and then maybe use my Utopia wand to blend it in.
To blend it out. Like our creations today.
Too.
I mean, we are like
I'm
great
like-
mixers.
Yeah, I mean,
If we do say it so ourselves.
born to mix. What can I say? But like it matches my blush and my highlight
Yeah, it
sort
looks
of.
awesome. Yeah.
So, because I love to mix Blissful and Crazy Pink, I feel like this combo is like the lipstick version of that.
Of that. Yeah, no, yeah, for sure. I love that. That's so pretty. The rest of the team is going to show you their favorite mixes, and we'll be right back.
What I love about the Metamorphosis collection is that you can take any lipstick and change its color. Today I'm going to go in with Revive and Monaco. First I'm going to start with the shade Monaco, which is a sparkly metallic pink. Now to lighten up the lip, I'm going in with the shade Revive. Now they're mixed.
So for my lip combo today, I'm gonna be first applying my Plum lip liner, and then I'm gonna go in with Las Vegas and Reimagine to get a nice deeper purple color. Now for Reimagine. I love this brown color. That is more my shade.
So my favorite lip combo right now with Reimagine is Miami Fever. I put Miami Fever on, and usually it's just a little too orange for me. Like it looks good, but too much for me. Reimagine. There. Blend with my finger, and there you go.
So currently how I like to use Metamorphosis is with Palo Alto, and I like to deepen it up with Reimagine. So as you can see, Palo Alto for me is a bit bolder than I'm used to, so I'm going to deepen it with Reimagine to my liking. And just like that, beauties, I have a lip combo that I can get behind.
I've been loving to mix Revive with Bal Harbour. So I put some Bal Harbour and Revive, about half-half, and I mix it up, and then I take my lip brush and I took equal parts of Bal Harbour and Revive. Bal Harbour is my favorite nude, so I just lightened it up a little bit so it would complement the darker eye I have going on.
My favorite combo with this set is mixing Refine with the shade Ruby. So this is the color Ruby by itself, but I like to tone it with the shade Refine to make it more mauve-y.
So we hope that you guys liked all the combinations that the rest of the crew created.
Loved them.
You did?
Yeah.
Yes. Which one was your favorite?
I mean mine. Duh.
Honesty, folks. Honesty. Actually, mine too. But we hope that you at home have as much fun as we did mixing our colors.
Don't forget to like this video, give us a comment, tell us what you loved, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell.
Bye, beauties.